Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to link your Dropbox files in Basecamp. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Basecamp account and open up one of your projects. Okay, click on it. And then in here, you will have the Docs and Files section. If you can't find it, you can go ahead and click on the three dots and click on Setup Tools and make sure that Docs and Files is toggled on. Now, going back in here, click on Docs and Files and then click on New right here at the top left. Okay, click on it and you'll have Dropbox. So as you click on it, now it says, what do you want to call this link? Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in sample link for Basecamp and Dropbox. Okay, and once that's done, you can manually add in the link in here, or you can go ahead and click on Browse Dropbox. There will be a pop-up window. In here, just go ahead and sign in with your Dropbox account. Wait for it. And then in here, you can go ahead and choose from one of your folders or Dropbox folders. Click on one and make sure that it got a file. All right. Maybe this file right here. Just click on it and then hit on choose. Wait for it until you have the link. You can go ahead and add in a note if you want to. And then once done, just hit on post this and you're good to go. So when you go ahead and go back to your projects, in here under Docs and Files, click on it. And when someone clicks on this specific button, they will be able to click on View on Dropbox and straight up the file will be opened. All right. And they have the option to download it if they want to as well, or share it. That's how easy it is to link Dropbox files in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.